Hello everyone, today I have something different. This is a vinyl unboxing. So, you know how I usually do CDs? Well, I've decided to get into vinyls, and so here's my first vinyl. So, let's get into it. If I'm correct, this is the Locket vinyl by Madison Beer. Yes, it is. Here it is. I'm actually excited for this because I've got, as you know, I have the CD for it, so vinyl and CD. But yeah, this is just a standard black pressing because I couldn't find any other pressings. This has Make You Mine, Bittersweet, and Yes Baby. Let's get into it because I'm excited. I believe this is a gatefold. So, oh, me. Oh, that might be. Oh, it's right there. After that, it's got the track list on the back, anyways. Right. That is the wrapping. Okay. Here's the cover. The back says Locket theme, Yes Baby, Angel Wings, For the Night, Bad Enough, Healthy Habit, You're Still Everything, Bittersweet, Complexity, Make You Mine, and Nothing at All. And here's the gatefold. God, this is an amazing gatefold. And then the vinyl has just got the lyrics, and then side A and side B. This is side A. It has Locket theme, Yes Baby, Angel Wings, For the Night, Bad Enough, and Healthy Habit. And then on the other side it has You're Still Everything, Bittersweet, Make You Mine, Complexity, and Nothing at All. Now, as this is my first vinyl, I won't be doing that fancy things other YouTubers do, where they like put it in a vinyl type thingy. I don't know what you call them. This doesn't come with a poster, but the first ever vinyl. Hang on. Right, on Sunday, you can expect another vinyl unboxing. That one will be, well, Dua Lipa Radical Optimism, I believe. I honestly can't remember that one. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this gatefold though. Anyways, I have no clue what that says, but I think it says MB. Anyways, bye.